Hi everyone, it's Rhonda. Happy Friday, and I welcome you to a little bit French. I was contacted by Lorna of Tailor Made Journals. She's on Etsy, Instagram, and she asked if I would like to use one of her kits. So I chose Worn Tapestry, and it's a beautiful kit. Just gorgeous. And I'll link her shop below. And I created a little journal, and I used her kit, Worn Tapestry, and I used a lot of dyed papers. So it's a very sturdy, thick journal, even though there's not that many pages. I cut out from another kit this memoir in French and added some dyed lace that I had. And so you can see, to keep with the theme of worn, I ripped a lot and I added the digital to the torn paper. Torn and worn. And inside I used a lot of images. Now this one I've had for over a decade, so I don't know where it's from. But I tried to use hobby clip art on Etsy, some of their toddler portraits, and I will list that shop below. And Sweet Pea Curiosities might be in here. Ameria Design Studio might be in here. Art House Whimsy might be in here. I don't know, because I print these kits and then I keep them separated on my computer, which kits, but then sometimes I pull images from already printed images, and I don't know, there's so many that I have, I don't always know which ones they are. But I'll list those shops below, and you can look for what you might want. And in here in this side tuck, I have some images and a little folio. And then here's some vintage papers, French papers. And then here's a little girl that I like, and she's just clipped on here. But I took Lorna's digitals and I added them to stained papers. Then I added a little lace to that corner. And then here is one of Lorna's from the Worn Tapestry. Very floral. All different shades of floral. You've got your peachy kind of antique, very antique looking, and then she has the pinks. So you get a variety in the kit. This one's very pink. I love this one. Okay. Then as you can see, there's lots of places if you want to clip something or perhaps journal. And then in the middle, I added some deep pockets with lace on it. And some more of the images. It just opens up. Let's see. And then that little girl with the basket, she's just so adorable. So it's a mixture of dyed papers and Worn Tapestry digitals, and then a lot of French book pages and some cute images of children. and lace. Let's not forget about the lace. I love all the different shades of the tapestries that she chose. And I just love this little girl too. She's adorable. And then a bit of yellow. Then I just made this cluster of antique French book pages and clipped it on here with a tag, a French tag, and some tatting or just some frayed fabric. And there you have it. Just an easy, simple summertime. That's all I can do. I just make the simple, easy ones. I don't pressure myself anymore. What did I do with the ribbon? And it's getting really warm here, so my projects will be very simple and not too time consuming. So I hope that you liked this. I hope you check out Lorna's shop. It's called Tailor Made Journals, and I'll link everything below. And I thank you for stopping by. Have a great weekend and keep creating. Okay, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.